एक्सरसाइज 4.4 नेचर ऑफ रूट्स। सो नेचर ऑफ रूट्स पता लगाने के लिए हम वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की, और बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज नथिंग बट डिस्क्रिमिनेंट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल डी। तो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट के बेसिस पे हम डिसीजन लेते हैं कि रूट्स का नेचर कैसा होगा, रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे, और रियल रूट्स भी डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे कि इक्वल होंगे। तो उसकी क्या कंडीशन है? सपोज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, वेयर a इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर एंड b इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x एंड c इज कांस्टेंट वैल्यू। सो टू रियल डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स की क्या कंडीशन है? इफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0, दैट मीन्स अगर उसकी पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है, 0 से ज्यादा है उसकी वैल्यू, 0 से बड़ी है उसकी वैल्यू, तो इसका मतलब रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे और वो डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे। डिस्टिंक्ट मीन्स अलग अलग वैल्यूज होंगी उनकी। देन इज इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0, अगर उसकी वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल है, दैट मीन्स रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करेंगे, लेकिन कैसे? इक्वल, दोनों की वैल्यू बराबर होगी। और अगर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac दैट इज डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू अगर 0 से कम है यानी नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, सो इन दैट केस नो रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट। क्वेश्चन 1, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. Part 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Therefore d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5, that is equal to 9 minus 40, that is minus 31, which is less than 0. Hence the roots are imaginary, they are not real. Part 2, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4, that is equal to 48 minus 48, that is equal to 0. As d is equal to 0, hence the roots are real and equal. As roots exist, so we will be finding the value of roots. So now using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we get minus of minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root minus 4 root 3 whole square into minus 4 into 3 into 4 upon 2 into 3. So that is equal to 4 root 3 plus minus under root 48 minus 48 upon 6. That is equal to 4 root 3 upon 6, that is equal to 2 upon root 3. Hence the equal roots are 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. Part 3, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. We know d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so that is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That implies 36 minus 24 is equal to 12, which is less than 0. Hence the roots are distinct and real. और क्योंकि हमारे पास roots exist कर रहे हैं, वो भी distinct, तो अब हमें उनकी value find करनी होगी. So now using the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we get minus into minus 6 plus minus under root minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 upon 2 into 2. That is equal to 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 24 upon 4. That is equal to 6 plus minus under root 12 upon 4. That is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. That implies 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. That is value of x is 3 plus root 3 upon 2 or 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Question 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Part 1, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. अब हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला यूज करते हुए। तो हमें पता है कि इक्वेशन किस फॉर्म में है, ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c, जहाँ पे हमारे a की क्या वैल्यू है 2, b की वैल्यू k और c की वैल्यू 3। तो हम पहले डिस्क्रिमिनेंट निकालेंगे। सो दैट इज इक्वल टू k स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, दैट इज इक्वल टू k स्क्वायर माइनस 24. For equal roots, what is the condition? D is equal to 0. So that implies k square minus 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. From there we found that k is equal to plus minus root 24. Root 24 can be written as 4 into 6. That implies value will be plus minus 2 root 6. Second part, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Open the brackets, we will get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where value of a is nothing but k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6, that is equal to 4k square minus 24k. And for equal roots, the condition is d is equal to 0. So that implies 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. That implies k into 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. K is 0, not possible. Or 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal to 24, k is equal to 24 by 4. That implies k is equal to 6. Question 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Let's solve it. So let breadth of the rectangle be x meter and length of rectangle will be 2x meter. So now according to the question says area of rectangle. So what is area of rectangle? It is length multiplied by breadth. So here length is x, breadth is 2x. So x multiplied by 2x is equal to 800. That implies 2x square is equal to 800. X square is equal to 800 upon 2, that is 400. So value of x square is 400. That means x is equal to plus minus 20. So x is 20 because we will ignore negative value as breadth cannot be negative. Hence breadth is 20 meter and length will be 2x, that is 2 multiplied by 20, that is 40 meter. Question 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Let's solve it. Let present age of one friend be x years. Then present age of other friend will be 20 minus x years. Now the condition is about 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, first friend was x minus 4 years. And second friend was 20 minus x minus 4, that is 16 minus x years. Now according to question, their product, that is x minus 4 into 16 minus x, is equal to 48. That implies 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. That implies minus x square plus 16x plus 4x minus 64 minus 48 is equal to 0. That implies minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0. So let us find the value of d. B square minus 4ac, that is equal to minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. That is equal to 400 minus 448, that is equal to minus 48. As value of d is less than 0, so the given quadratic equation has no real roots. So the following situation is not possible. Question 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Let's solve it. Let length be x. What is perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So that is equal to 80 and 80 is equal to 2 into length is x and let breadth be b. So x plus b. 80 upon 2 is equal to x plus b. That implies 40 is equal to x plus b. From here I get the value of b in terms of x. So that is b is equal to 40 minus x. Now let us find the area. Area is nothing but length multiplied by breadth. So that is equal to 400 is equal to x into 40 minus x. That implies 400 is equal to 40x minus x square. That implies x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. That implies x square minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 0. So let us take common. X is common. So x common, what remains inside is x minus 20. Then minus 20 is common. What remains inside is x minus 20 is equal to 0. So now what is common in both these terms? It is x minus 20. What remains inside is x minus 20 again. That is equal to 0. So either x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0. So value of x is 20 in both the cases. Thus the rectangular park is possible to design. So the length of the park is 20 meter and its breadth is also 20 meter. That is 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20 meter. So length and breadth both are 20 meters.